Hello students, my name is Anup Kumar Dutta. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT Mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 4 from the exercise 4.2 of your book class 10 under Quadratic Equations, NCERT Mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Here the word consecutive means following in regular order or one after another, and in this sum we have to find out two consecutive, that means respective positive numbers from the scale of positive integers, so that if we take the squares of both the two numbers and add them, then in that case the additional product or the sum comes to be equal to 365. So to do this sum, let us proceed in this way. Right, in this way, let one of the two consecutive positive integers, let one of the two consecutive positive integers be equal to x. Therefore the another number will be equal to x plus 1. After this, write in this way. Now according to question, x square, the square of the first positive integer or number, plus according to question x plus 1 whole square, the square of the respective, that means consecutive positive integer, is equal to, according to question, 365. That again implies x square plus twice x plus 1 minus 365 is equal to 0. I have just transposed this term 365 to the left hand side. That again implies twice x square plus twice x minus 364 is equal to 0. That again implies x square plus x minus 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 2 are 4 is equal to 0, dividing both sides by the number 2. So here we have got a quadratic equation in which the value of AC is 182. Now the value of AC is 182. Now if we want to get the factors of 182, we will get 7 2 are 14, 7 6 are 42, 13 2 are 26. Now if we consider these two factors and multiply them, we will get the number 14. The left factor is 13. Now if we multiply the number 13 with 14, with the number 14, or the number 13 with the number 14, we will get the number 182, which is here and which is nothing but the product of AC of this quadratic equation. So if we follow the factorization method of quadratic equation, in that case this middle term plus x can be replaced by plus 14x minus 13x. So if we proceed, if we do so, that will implies x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. That again implies if we take x as common, we will get x plus 14 here. If we take minus 13 as common, then in that case we will get here x plus. Now if we multiply the number 14 by 13, we get the number 182. So if we take the number 13 as common, we will get here 14 is equal to 0. That again implies x plus 14 into x minus 13 is equal to 0. After this, write in this way. Therefore, either x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. If we consider this relation, in that case we will get the value of x to be equal to minus 14, and if we take this relation, then in that case we will get the value of x to be equal to 13. After this, write in this way. Since x cannot be equal to minus 14, a negative integer, therefore x equal to 13. That is the required consecutive positive integers. That is the required two consecutive positive integers are respectively value of x we have just find out to be 13. So the first number will be 13 and another one is equal to 13 plus 1. We have just put the value of x here, which is 13. So if we do so, we will get 13 plus 1 to be equal to 14. So these are the two answers. Write in this way, it will spare a little bit time to you. So this is all for today. Why not? I will definitely expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.